Hi Bitcoinwise, it's already middle of April 2025 and I just want to keep you updated with the latest news that are happening in Bitcoinwise. So there's a lot of exciting things that are happening. There's a lot of development that are taking place on the app and the back offices that we are doing. So first of all, I want to say thank you very much for Cellbucks. They've signed up also Massmart that's coming on board, so you'd be able to use all their retailers and stores, and then also the Pepcore group, all their retailers and stores are also coming up. We are working on more petrol stations that also will soon be available for you to be able to purchase fuel with your vouchers. So there's a lot of exciting things that are happening. So thank you Cellbucks. And then also Cellbucks is moving by the end of April. We will move over to a NetBank facility for you to top up your wallet. So it's going to be a lot more quicker, convenient and easier for you to top up your wallet. So we're addressing that frustrations that everybody experienced or had experienced in the beginning of Bitcoinwise. So yeah, Bitcoinwise are launching phase 2. So what is phase 2? Phase 2 is, first of all, depend on its 3 legs that we are now opening. First of all is we have got more than one large group that are at the moment busy bringing in, signing up their client base, their member base, that are going to create bulk spillovers into Bitcoinwise. So that's super excited. Secondly, Bitcoinwise is now making agencies available. So we want agencies right across South Africa. First of all, these agencies, if you are interested, you can contact our WhatsApp number or support at Bitcoinwise, and we will give you more information. So the agencies are going to aggressively market Bitcoinwise in their area. So they are also going to do live presentations, and that will bring the warmth of the Bitcoinwise family to people who wants to become members and to join and talk to other people that are already members, and share their experience and the income that the powerful income that they get. So they will also give support to you. So any challenges that you've got or experiencing, they would be able to help you right there and then with that. So that's going to be very, very exciting. Then obviously they will also have marketing materials, t-shirts and caps and banners and posters and gazebos and whatever. All those things will also be available from the agencies to purchase, but we will also have an online facility where you would be able to purchase it if you don't have an agency yet in your area. So yeah, that's very exciting. That's also going to grow Bitcoinwise very, very, very fast. And then our third leg that we are spending time with, and that is signing up more merchants for all of us to use. So obviously our members, some of our members sign up merchants. Then we've got companies that join Bitcoinwise and they're bringing in more companies. We've got broker companies that have signed up that are bringing in more merchants. And what's the difference between the merchants that we sign up and the merchants that Cellbucks sign up? So the merchants that we sign up are a merchant that actually signs up in the network. In other words, they are going to aggressively market Bitcoinwise in their shops and their retailers and whatever service they offer to their client base. And that will also bring in a lot of new members and spread the word a lot faster. So I'm telling you, if you've got friends and family members and colleagues that you haven't told about Bitcoinwise, somebody else is going to do it soon. So make sure you'll be first to grow your network fast. All right. So yes, then I just want to give a word of warning to the people who join Bitcoinwise and they haven't paid their membership fee yet. So because of the bulk business that comes in, you are sitting with a spot that's high up in the network, that's actually worth a fortune. And because you don't pay your membership fee, we need to clean our database for this bulk people to come in. And to be fair to all the members that did pay their membership fee and all the new people that's signing up now, they can grab those spots that you have not taken up yet by paying your membership fee. So by the end of April, we are going to clean the database of all the people who have not paid their membership fee. So yeah, please go to our Facebook page so that we can keep you updated with all the latest information. And I will send you soon, early next month again, some feedback videos to say, this is what's already been happening. But I know you're going to see it, you're going to experience it. I'm looking forward for you to work with us and building Bitcoin Wise. Thank you.